Congratulations, Jannah. Al-Ghurfa means tall, high ceiling, lofty, vast space. Ghurfa. They're going to walk in and say, whoa, all of this is mine? I mean, is my apartment in this building somewhere? This whole thing is mine? Whoa. Ghurfa. Because of the patience they displayed. وَيُلَقَّوْنَ فِيهَا تَحِيَّةً وَسَلَامًا. And they will be thrown, what will be thrown upon them, or they will be greeted constantly with tahiyya, greetings and peace, greetings and peace. Everywhere they go, people will know them. Hey, assalamu alaikum, how you doing? Oh, that's you over there. Okay, cool. Yeah, mine's over here. It's pretty awesome. We should hang out sometime. Everywhere they go, they're being greeted. And by the way, who do you greet and say salam to? People that you what? That you like and know. You have to know them first. In Jannah, I will know the people. I'll know, when you and I get to Jannah, we will know our great-great-great-great-great-grandfather that became Muslim. That guy. We'll just know him. We'll know the Sahaba. We'll know like the great heroes of Islam. We'll know the great scholars of Islam. We'll know the guy that nobody else knew. The guy that used to clean up the masjid and open its doors for Fajr and nobody knew his name. That guy, we'll know him. Across the generations and across the continents. And we'll know each other personally. SubhanAllah. The best people of the world, we're going to know all of them. In this world, meeting good people and knowing good people and then getting time with good people is so difficult. Man, I wish I could spend more time with them. With him, with her. It's very hard. Everybody has their own obligations and responsibilities. In Jannah, we all have time for each other. And we're greeting one another constantly. خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا حَسُنَتْ مُسْتَقَرًّا وَمُقَامًا. They will remain in it permanently. What a beautiful place to be for a little bit or permanently. Little bit means they're here in this Jannah for a little bit. And then Allah says, actually I got another palace for you. Come, let me show you another one. So you were there for, mustaqar was where you stay temporarily. So Allah will even enhance, and enhance, and enhance, and enhance. Mustaqarran wa muqaman, and then permanent. In previous Quran studies we've already learned that maybe your family member, your cousin made it to 7th level of paradise. And you are on the ground floor, 1st level of paradise. And the next level, one level of paradise to the next, if you want to appreciate the distance, the Prophet describes ﷺ, is like us looking at the stars. That's one level to the next. So it's pretty high up there. But the mercy of Allah is if one of your family members made it to floor 7, you get a guest pass and you move into floor 7 with him. You go up. He doesn't have to come down. Oh, the rest of your family's on floor 1, I'm sorry, you're going to have to leave your reserved elite platinum seat, gold member, seat, and you have to go down to the bleachers with them. Even though that Jannah is awesome by itself, but Allah says, no. If one of your family members is up there and you're down here, you get to go up there. You move in over there. Connections, yo. I got connections. Some people confuse that to mean if I got a family member in paradise and I'm in hell, they're going to promote. No. This is between paradise levels. This is not, I'm going to pull you out of hellfire and bring you into paradise. That's not going to work.